myself Bobby Geetha. So in another video we focusing on vegan food and what not best to use a good avocado. So I'm making a waffle, a sweet waffle that with dosa. It's again gluten free, it's completely dairy free because it's vegan. So the waffle is made with dosa, avocado is there, and some nice raspberries, pomegranate, good fruits, that is orange, lemon, a bit of chilli also I'm going to use. So it's like a waffle, avocado mousse, some grated organic dark chocolates. I'll show you how I take to it. So let's start. In one of my other videos it shows clearly how I take the flesh out of the avocado. You can follow that also. Or if it's difficult for you, you can just peel it as well. Or cut in half first and then. So the skin, I preserved it. I'm using in a boilable vacuum pack bag. Put it in. Let's say I'm putting around 100 gram of oil. So now it's sealed. See, it's completely sealed. So the water bath is set. I use a normal, pot or container what you have at home. This is a circulator that set the temperature. The temperature is 60. So I'm just putting it inside. Make sure it goes down. And then I'm just leaving it at least an hour to get it infused. The oil gets cooked through the avocado skin. So now we're going to prep the things what we need for the making the waffle. So some of the avocado I cut into very thin as well, like small pieces. It's good to put inside the waffle mix. So when we cook it, there is something inside the waffle also. Okay, now I'm going to do some fruits, cut some fruits. And some nice raspberries as well. Oranges. Then take a look at this. So the first basic of any cooking is your prep. Prep need to be 85% or 80%. Then it's easy to finish it up everything. So I'm just doing the garnish as well. Some nice pomegranates. I'm using some lemon zest when you finish off. Then some chilli. But this will give a hint of spiciness. Even when it's sweet, it gives a nice kick to it. So this is a fermented dosa batter. The recipe you can find it on my other video. I'll be showing soon. This is naturally fermented, so you need to give at least 24 hours in an ambient room temperature. That should be ideal, 28 to 30 degree. Around 150 gram of batter. And now in that I'm going to add the chopped avocados. Water, let's say around, this is a 30 ml ladle. So 30 ml of water. So this is some vegan plant-based butter I'm using. Just melted. I'm adding avocado. This is almost 1.5 avocado. Into this I'm adding almond milk. So now in this one we're going to glaze the fruit. That's for the garnish for the waffle. So that also we can slightly sweat it and keep it on the side. Plant butter again. This time around 20 grams. I'm using some organic coconut sugar. $20 grams. Adding some banana to it. And the orange, I'm adding the juice. Now adding the remaining orange and raspberries. Just fold it and leave it on the side. So to make a waffle, I got a bubble waffle machine. So what I'm going to do is apply some plant butter. Now just pour it over. So now it's ready. You can see here. So now we can take it off. It's nice and crispy. Slowly lift it. So nice avocado waffle. So what I'm going to do is I'm just cutting into half. So the half is enough for a portion. Okay. So now the avocado is cooked. I'm adding coconut sugar, organic coconut sugar. 3 spoons. So I got some green color. Check enough salt. So taste it. It's good enough. So in this I'll be adding the chopped chilli. Okay, now we can allow it to cool and then I'll just blend it to make a smooth mousse-like texture. So the avocado skin with the oil has been cooked enough. It's already slightly green in color, you can see. Alright, now we're going to blend it. I'm going to pass it through. After blending, that's avocado mousse. Allow it to cool it down a bit more and then I'll be putting in the piping bag. It has a nutty flavor, a bit sharp flavor. When the avocado is fully ripened, that goes away, and you can put a touch of lemon as well to cut it down. So the avocado oil, I'm going to put in a squeezy bottle. So now we go into plate everything, so get the prep once more checked and ready. The mousse goes in the piping bag. Avocado and chili mousse. For the garnish.